Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. In a gutted house in Newark, New Jersey, and I'm creating existing condition floor plan drawings. So let me walk you around a little bit. I'm in, let's see, the house is, there's a basement, this is the first floor, there's a second floor, and then there's an attic that can be finished. So this is kind of the main room. There's an entrance room here. Let's see, we have one stairway up. We have another stairway up, and then that's where the demoed kitchen is. I'll walk you upstairs quickly. So there's the switchback stairs. They keep going up into the attic. And then, oh, it has an elevator too, by the way. It looks to be an old, like some type of church building. They're putting in some new floor here. And then this is a big open room. So this is what I'm working on today. Thought to show you around. Thank you for viewing my video. And if you ever have a need of existing addition floor plans, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.